What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dellis coming to you with another YouTube video. I hope you're having a great day so far. And in this video, I want to share with you the importance of paying attention to your Instagram key performance indicators rather than paying attention to vanity metrics. So with that being said, I'd really appreciate actually if you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'll be posting more entrepreneurship, business, finance, and marketing related content. So if that's something you like, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Let's talk about this topic. The reason why I wanted to record this is because I feel like through different periods of your journey, growing through your Instagram page, whether you want to be an influencer or have a brand with 50,000, 100,000 followers or more, or you want to be a business owner and use Instagram to get new clients and to sell your products or services, then what you want to pay attention to are the key performance indicators, or simplified as KPIs, rather than the vanity metrics that Instagram makes available to you for your success. So let's clarify. The vanity metrics on Instagram, in my personal opinion, are likes and views. Because what they display is essentially someone showing up, seeing your content, and then basically leaving. You know what I'm saying? And if they just liked it, they didn't give any type of extra type of engagement or action. So what is a like really worth at that point? But the next step up, right? The key performance indicator, like you should be looking at, is how many comments your content is receiving, like, and what type of comments. Are these simple, emoji based comments, or are people responding to questions you're asking in the caption? Are people trying to keep the conversation going in your comments? So that is definitely something you should pay attention to. The point of this video is, if you're looking at likes all the time, and followers too, right? Let's say you almost have 1,000 followers and you're trying to go to 5,000. I want to have 10,000, right? And you're not paying attention to the relationships and the people who are already following you. Like, this would actually be more important than focusing on just having a bigger follower count and looking more cool and having this ego about Instagram. So with that being said, if you're watching this video, or if you're watching my page, then you understand that I try to treat Instagram from a producer mindset rather than a consumer mindset. So I'm always looking for ways to improve, like, the quality of my content that I deliver, and also like how to get more clients from Instagram. I'm just gonna be honest with you. So with that being said, I've got to pay attention to actually important things, like how many outbound comments am I leaving per day? How many outbound DMs am I sending per day to prospects? How many posts am I making per day, per week, through the profile, through stories, through reels, like IG Live, like all the different avenues that Instagram provides to you. You should have KPIs for how much content you're posting on a weekly basis, and also KPIs for how much activity you're doing on a daily basis through engagement. Because it is through engagement that you nurture relationships. You can offer value once you got the conversation going. You can maybe send something helpful to them. And from there, that's how you close business as well. So with that being said, I want you to understand that likes are cool. By the way, having a lot of likes and then having like the little one-liner comments, like, that's brilliant. But a step further is really understanding like what really matters depending on what your route is that you're taking. So if you're going the influencer route, then obviously likes and comments matter, but you should pay attention more so to shares and saves, but more particularly shares, because shares shows you how receptive people are to your content and how willing they are to share it with people they trust, their friends. And that's really what you want to pay attention to, is how many times your content is being shared. That's a key performance indicator. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll attach in the description an engagement sheet that I used to use on a daily basis to track how many comments and how many new people I was following. I'm not sure if DMs is in the sheet, but you can add it as well if that's something you're interested in tracking. But I say what's really important is for you to understand which route you're taking as an influencer, as a business owner, and pay attention to not just how many followers you're getting, but how many people you're actually talking to and nurturing and getting into your CRM on your email list so you can, talk to them on a later date without needing Instagram as the medium to communicate. See, that's all I have for today. I hope you like this video. Please give it that thumbs up. Also, comment what you think. Subscribe for more content. Hit that notification bell. And other than that, have a wonderful day. Pay attention to what actually matters for your Instagram page. Let me know what you think. I will be back with more. Peace.